I believe it's over here. So we're back in Knott's and we are going to this little place that has the best avocado toast ever. When we were here with Clarice, the daughter, she got some and I got a bite of it and it was so good. I want some of that. There's gold panning. We could do that before we leave if you want.
I wonder if there's real gold in it.
We just have to find that place. I think this one's it right here. Yep, the bakery. Cool. All right, we're in the bakery in a little bit of a line. We're starting to be able to see stuff. Black boysenberry fruit tart, pie bar tart, big ass cookies, croissants, turnovers. I'd like avocado toast, and he's not sure what he wants yet. Boysenberry macaroons. Those look cool.
Do I want a giant cinnamon roll or ham and cheese croissant?
I don't know. What do you
Because
feel
I'm
like?
pretty sure they microwave those.
Yeah, they do.
And that's going to make it tough.
Yeah. I would say that big cinnamon roll looks really good. Here's a Mother's Day cupcake. A mini cheesecake. Chocolate eclair. A Snoopy cookie. Cake pops. A boysenberry sugar cookie.
Have a nice day.
Some big old muffins.
Yours right here?
I don't know, is that avocado?
Croissant.
That's his.
You're welcome.
Some good looking muffins.
Have you been home already?
Yeah, we got avocado toast and a ham and cheese croissant. You can. So there's my yummy avocado toast. 2 freaking pieces, that's a lot. And there's his ham and cheese croissant.